Welcome to Smartwatch Specs.
Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with our Tecno Watch 3 active smartwatch, and on this video we are going to connect it with our Android smartphone. So we will download the support app. It is using the My Health application. We will download it from Google Play Store, install it on our Android smartphone, and pair our Tecno Watch 3 active to this support app. So if you are interested to know more about this wearable, especially on the proper setup of the smartwatch, watch this video. And again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's start and connect our Tecno Watch 3 active to our Android smartphone. So we have here the QR code of the application. It's also available here in the packaging. It's also available in the user manual. We are already familiar with the application, so we'll just search it directly here on our Google Play Store. So let's search My Health app. We have here the My Health app. So this is the application for our Tecno Watch 3 active. So tap on install. So we have 88.46 MB. So let's wait for it to complete its download, and it will automatically install it in our Android smartphone. So we have almost 50% here. So in just a few seconds, we'll have our My Health app. 87%, 100%. It is now installing, and it's already installed. So we have here the My Health app installed in our Android smartphone. So let's open the application. So select welcome, then agree. We have here some information. We'll skip this. Complete your profile. You can set, or you can also skip. In our case, we'll just leave it as it is. Then done. Then agree here to our permission for the physical activity. Then tap on devices. Select add. Okay, it is asking to register. We'll register. You can use your Google account, Facebook. We also have here the Line application. In our case, we'll use our email. Okay, so we have successfully registered and logged in our account. So we have here another permission. So select while using the app. Then for the relative position, allow. Okay, open. It's now scanning for our smartwatch. We have here our Infinix X-Watch H5 Pro. So let's reset this wearable, and let's see if we can connect it. Settings, then system, reset. And we have here our Tecno Watch 3 active. So to connect, tap on it. Let's see. Okay, do we have an agreement here on the smartwatch? Let's wait. And we have here, confirm the binding. Select. And as you can see, we are connected. So Bluetooth pairing request, pair. Okay, so we will use our Bluetooth call, so we will allow the access to our contacts. But if you're not going to use the Bluetooth call, you can disable it. Search wearable device, and we have it here. And we are now connected. So let's add a phone number so we can check if our Bluetooth call is working properly. So let's add the number, import watch. It's now syncing. Let's see, phone call, the recent call, contacts, and we have it here. Okay, so we are connected on our Android smartphone with our My Health application for our Watch 3 active smartwatch. Again, if you have any questions regarding the setup process, drop a comment below, and of course support our channel, like, share, and subscribe.